Homeopathy provides medicine for stiffness anywhere, in any part of the body. First, think of Bryonia 200, 4 times a day. Stiffness, painful, comes in neck or back. If the neck is stiff with swollen glands, take Belladonna 200. In post-operative pain in lumbar region and any stiffness worse on movement, go to Bryonia 200. Bryonia 200. This is the first medicine to be taken in stiffness. There is stitching pain in the nape of the neck, in the small of the back. In case the muscles feel as if bound with a rope and the neck is stiff or the back is stiff, we recommend Causticum 200. This is useful in chronic rheumatic pain and deformed joints as well. Stiffness in the neck with fixed pain under the inner and lower angle of the right scapula requires Chelidonium 30, while stiffness and spondylosis with spasms and cramps in neck muscles is helped by Cicuta, Cicuta 200. An excellent medicine for cervical spondylosis with severe pain in the neck, in the shoulders, lot of sleep, responds to Cimifuga 200. There is unbearable giddiness, a feeling of discomfort. The patient doesn't want to stand up and indulge in his regular activities. In case a patient feels stiff in the neck with pain after catching cold in wet weather, Dalkamara 200 helps. There are cases where there is an ice cold sensation down spine. The back is stiff. The cervical muscles are rigid. Sharp pain in the neck is experienced. Help comes from Strychnine 30, Strychnine 30. Homeopathic medicines are to be taken on dry tongue, 4 to 6 pills at a time, 4 times a day. Buy a ready-made bottle from a homeopathic druggist of 2 gram pill size 20. These medicines can be stored in cool places, dry places, should not be exposed to sunlight, and they have a very long life. I repeat, think of Bryonia 200 in cases of stiffness as the first remedy. This stiffness comes in the legs, in the knees, in the elbow joints, in the shoulders, anywhere. Thank you for listening to this audio video presentation. I shall continue to present more and more of homeopathic remedies in this form.